Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate basketball theme on Instagram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. Then you need to click on Instagram and you need to update your Instagram application first. Once you done that, you simply need to go back and you need to open Instagram application, and then you need to click on this messenger icon in the top right. From here, you need to select any conversation. Click on the person name on the top. From here, you need to click on theme and you need to select the basketball. Scroll down. Here you can see basketball. So you simply need to select that. Wait for few seconds. Then you need to go back and now you can see that basketball theme is activated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.